Welcome to speedearning.com. We are talking for the growth of your total life, and we can't compartmentalize your life. So, your personal life is also related with your professional growth. That's why we are discussing this 10 myths that corrupt the marriage. First point, marriage is not most debated issue of human society. If the marriage is lasting since thousands of years in all the societies of all the parts of the whole world, then it must be having some very strength within. So myths to corrupt one marriage. 1. Love can't last longer, it fades up with growing age. This is a myth. In fact, in young age, that is lust in beginning, what we call love. It becomes love when attraction fades up and understanding grows. When you live with each other, then understanding grows. Second, we are responsible for happiness of spouse. We are in a relationship to support each other, not to serve. If one is dominating other, then it can't work longer. Fairness is must in relationship. So no one is responsible for happiness of spouse. We can support the other, but we are not slave. Let them demand and value your support and time, otherwise everything will be taken for granted. Means whenever one is asking for your support, and if they are valuing your time and support, then you should go for it. 3. Sex depends on body only. Sex is more related to state of mind. Format will change, size and fitness will change, but joy may remain increasing with growing age. If you want to have something, then you will somehow find the way. So if you want to have great sex, so you will learn automatically with growing age what should be the ways to enrich your experience. Fourth, real lover can't live without one another. This is also a myth. Space is essential. Deepen relations with own family and in-laws families. Means when space was given to diverse prone couple means they spent few months without each other, and especially without noise of own family, they could better understand each other. 5. We should act superman woman. Just be friends. It is obvious to fake in the beginning due to insecurity of an immature relationship, but be easy day by day. बोल बच्चन करके उलझ जाते हैं सब, एक्सेप्ट इजीली या आई एम वेरी ऑर्डनरी. आई एम एन ऑर्डनरी पर्सन एंड you can be with me if you want to. 6. We can understand our man or woman totally. This is a big myth. Men or woman feel basically very different. So leave very complicated questions unattempted for the time being, and all answers will come your way automatically. Means don't indulge in a complex question and don't spoil your relationship due to that. 7. Discussion is the dialogue is a myth. Discussion is not dialogue. So discussion is related to right or wrong conclusions. Dialogue or talk is about your feeling. Whatever outer situation may be there, but keep talking about your day-to-day feelings. What is going within you? It feels like really being together. So just talk about your day-to-day experience. Now we are parents only. This is also a big myth. If you are occupied with responsibilities only, then you will not remain happy. And if you are not happy, then you will not give the greatest possible gift to your children, and that is happiness. So you should be happy while you are raising your children, while you are going with your responsibilities. You should complete the responsibility for your own self. 9. Friends and family disturbs one marriage. This is a very popular myth. If something doesn't work, all are used to blame some outer agency to get instant relief. Friends and family don't disturb, but you see loopholes of your relationship in their presence. Actually, if no one is around, then you are comfortable because there are no challenges. If friends and families are coming there, so you can see that you can feel the challenges there, and that might disturb you. So you should face those challenges and find the answers for them. Just chill. You don't have to be best on this earth. I personally felt in my marriage, due to family circumstances, both of us learned so many new things which made us more lovable. 10. My sister's marriage is 24/7 rocking. Means it may be your sister, your friend, whatever you're seeing from a distance. So all couple faces dull moments. Life can't be rocking 24/7. So if you see peak hours of some couple and assume that it remains the same 24/7, then you will go wrong. Don't always go for branded fun, movies, hill station, party, mall, shopping, etc. Choose the fun which is affordable frequently, say daily, in terms of time and money. Otherwise, you are limiting your fun to occasion only, and you need day to day fun for living a happy living. So, enjoy a happy marriage for